So I have with me Mr. Sanjay Sangam, Head of Sales and Marketing, Renishaw, India, and I'm going to ask you questions. Sanjay sir, what's the theme for Renishaw, India in this IMTEX?
First of all, Sanjeev, thank you very much for talking to me. Yeah, this IMTEX, our theme is automation for everyone. So you will be surprised. What are you talking about? So the phrase itself speaks for it. Automation for everyone. What I mean by here is, we are going to demonstrate automation for everyone, starting from SMEs to all the sectors, the supply chains of different sectors, whether it is aerospace, automotive, precision component manufacturing, exports, all these supply chains, we'll be able to come and see, how they could get onto this journey of automation. And we are talking here of baby steps. We're not talking of very high-end automation. So come and see for yourself, what are we talking.
What's new at IMTEX?
We are going to have something very exciting this IMTEX. There are three things that you will be able to come and see in our stand. One is, we are going to have a launch of our smart manufacturing data platform. This is very important in today's world of digital manufacturing. So you'll be able to see our new solutions in this area, and how this software could be used for connecting the factories, connecting the shop floors. So that's one thing. Second thing is, we are going to use this IMTEX opportunity to launch the world's smallest wireless probe. This is, nobody could have imagined that, a probe of this size could be manufactured and used. So you'll be able to see that. And the third thing is, our gauging solutions, as you know, has been very, very popular across the country. We have more than 1,000 installations. But this time you'll be able to come and see the automation with this gauging solution, because when I say automation for everyone, so why not automation on gauging solution? So you'll be able to come and see the automation for gauging. This is done, integrated, proven, already being used at many customer places. So we would like to formally launch this in this IMTEX.
And most importantly, where people can find Renishaw?
IMTEX is upon us. I'm really looking forward to meet you in IMTEX, which is not too far away from us. You will find us in Hall 4A. Our booth is B101. The entire team of Renishaw India will be there to welcome you. Come and meet us. I can assure you that you will have very, very good conversation with our team. I'm really looking forward to it.